Alright, this better design was created by Sammy Crown graphics. I want to show you how you can create such the same thing, something similar using your smartphone. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Please do it to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section where you are watching from. Without further ado, the first thing we want to do is to create this particular shape right here. It's actually made of a circle, but with different demarcations. Right, so let me show you how you can do such. So there are several ways you can do this. You can choose to create this by yourself, all right, with lines and circles. I'm going to drop a video in the description where you can watch to see how that can be done. Alternatively, you can actually download the shape, the pie shape you see. You can download it. You can go to Pinterest and just download it. So for example, something like this. So this is the pie shape, for example. All right. Then you remove remove the white background. If I remove this background, the white background, I will have something like this. I'll have this. Okay. So if I put it here, you see that it's the same thing. I get me now. You can see that is the same thing. So what I want to show you now is first how we can get a background that we can use before this particular shape comes on top of it. All right. So we don't want to use a very complicated background. So we want to look for a quite simple background, not so complex, something quite simple. Okay, so let's look for something like that. So I have this background here. All right, I'm just going to drag it like this, put it there. Okay, like that. All right, you see those lines there? I don't like them, so I'm going to use something to cover them anyways, but let's leave that for that's not the main thing. So we'll put these at the front, right, like this. Then we'll not change this particular color to a color that is going to be totally different from this particular color. So let's say I choose this blue, for example. If I use this blue and I come here and centralize this, and then I come here again and I mesh these two together like this, I get me now. So if I mesh both of them together, I'm going to have one shape instead of two. So I can come here and I can erase the color of this blue, this particular blue here. Are you seeing that some of it is removed from the original design from the background? That is why you should not use any color that is close to this color. So you should use something that is totally different. All right, so red is fine because red is different from blue, or you can decide to choose something that is different, like, okay, let's say purple. All right, then you can come over here and then mesh them together just the way I showed you. So when you mesh them together, you're going to have this one shape here and you're going to lock it. Then you can come over here and you can click this and remove the color now. So I can remove this color now. This is what I'm going to get. So let's remove all these guys by putting a white background so that we can see exactly what we'll be doing. So basically, it's how you fix these images that I want to show you. So I'm going to click on one of the images and show you how you can fix it. So let's say this one, for example. So all you need to do is to bring the image that you want to fix. Let's say I want to fix it there. Now you have to look at the shape very well. Then reduce the opacity. All right, reduce the opacity like this. Then fix the head the way you want it. All right, I've done that. Okay, it's fine. Then you can still increase this. Then you can take a look very carefully at where. So if I send this thing to the back now, it will give me a shape. Oh, look at it. Let me show you something. So you can come here, you can erase some part of the design. So I'm going to erase here. Then I'm going to erase here. So it's going to be close to its ears. So somewhere here like this, around this part. Are you seeing that now? Then we can still erase here like this. All right, so I will just rotate it, fix it there. And then when I'm done, I'll just send it to the back. But while I'm sending it to the back, I have to still bring out the opacity. So that has been fixed. So that is how you go ahead. Let's bring the other one. Let's say this one, for example. We'll bring it here. Okay, so I want it to be there. So So just try and create a pie, all right, with the picture. So just come here, then let's say we want the face to show, so I'm going to do a pie like this. Is you get that now, just like that. So use the create a pie with pictures, then remove the parts of the picture that you don't want to be there. All right, so we can do that very fast. So I've removed this, so I want that particular place to show. All right, so let's see. So all you need to do is to increase it and fix it where it's going to fit. All right, so if it's upside down like that, it's not going to be fine. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to increase this. I'm going to increase this. I'm going to increase this. All right, so from the hand up, from here up, I'm removing it. I'm saying that now. Then which other part again? All right, from where? Okay, so from here down. So it's just for you to really observe very well what you're doing. You'll be able to get it. Okay, so let me increase this and put it there. All right, so all right, so I can come here again. I can bring this one. Let's bring this. So I'll reduce it here. Okay, so from for here we have a V like this. So let's come here, click eraser, increase this. So let's take from here and take it from here like this, or let's take it from here. So I'm taking it from here, taking this part also off. Right, do it to like this video. All right, it's just me showing you how you can actually do some of these things. All right, so if I do this, I can come here, bring it here. All right, I'll send it. Okay, I'll send it to the back. Now I'll send this one to the back, like this particular guy here to the back. So we have something like this. Okay, part of this we need to still go hard. So from the head, where you have the head here, you can take it down here. I see that now. Then where you have the neck region going up, so from here you can take it out. All right, so if you do that, this is what we have. Okay, all right, so let's work on this. So this particular one, we can put it here. We can put it, let's say, okay, let's say here. I prefer here, so let's go. Okay, can put it here like this. So the shape is going to be here. So let's come. So something like this, something like this. All right, so let's remove this. Please do it to like this video and then share it with a friend. So I'm just going to come here and put it like this there. Increase it, put it there. Still increase it, put it there. All right, I will send it to the back, and you see that it's completely fills. All right, then we can bring this one also. Which of them? So let's try this. Okay, so let's try this. So for this particular guy, you can bring him here like this. So sometimes the face can be big, sometimes the face can be small. So for here we can, okay, so let's reduce opacity so that we can see the part that should be cut out. So reduce, put it in. Okay, so from the neck region to where the hand is one line. So let's come here. So from the neck to where the hand is, like from here to here is one line that should go out. All right, don't worry, it looks very difficult, but you are just trying to do it. So like that. Then from the hand region, curve down should go out. So that is from here down, we should curve it like this. All right, so let's see if we got it correctly. Okay, not bad. So put it like this. Then all you need to do is to bring out the opacity now, and then you send it to the back like this. All right, That's that. So you can also fix the other ones. So this, we have just maybe a few of them remaining. So let's come here. Let's which of them, which of them, which of them. So let's try this. So let's try this. So this, we're gonna put it here. Okay, we're gonna put it here. All right, we're gonna put it here. So as usual, reduce opacity so that you see what you want to remove. So come over here and then put this here. Oh, I didn't see it. So from the chest region to the head. So come here. From this chest region to where you have this head to where you have this head. So something like that, right? Yes. Then we can come over here and actually increase this, and then take this like this. All right. So we'll send it to the back now. So this is what we have, right? Then we can also come over here and let's work on this one. So there's one here. All right, this one here. So we just need to, all right, so it's basically the pie in this particular place of the design. So the pie is going to be, let's say, from here like this. All right, I see that now. So this is very, very technical, but basically it's easy if you know what you're doing. You can see I'm doing it within a very short minute because this is a tutorial. So by the time you take your time to do yours, you'll be able to do something very, very nice. So I'll just reduce it. All right, put it there like this, increase it, put it there. So I want to even increase this one to fill the other part of the design. So I'm going to drag it like this. Okay, let's send it to the back and see. Then send this one to the back. Then move this one. So let's move it. Let's say something like that, right? All right. So there's one. Oh, there's one more. There's one more at that bit where the man is. So I'm going to use this one. Let's use this. All right. So let's use this. Okay. So basically, it's going to be small there. All right. Okay, just like a mirror. All right, so come here, just like a mirror, you cut it like this, cut it like this, very small. Okay, like that, something like that though. So I'm going to do this. Hope you're all right, and hope you're still here. Please do it to like this video and share with a friend. So whenever you see any smartphone design or any design you see anywhere, and peradventure you see design with your smartphone, you want to ask yourself that how can I achieve this, and you want to try it. So don't just give up and say, oh, this can never be done with your smartphone. Come on, you can actually do it. So you see that. So I fixed all that. The next thing we want to do now is to bring in one of the images that we're going to add here. So this is one of the images. I'm going to bring it here. All right, just going to use it to cover this particular part of the design. All right, you can see that now. All right, so that's that. So I'm going to reduce this. So let's make sure that Steve Crown. Okay, so see, I want to bring this picture down so that the face will show, because his body is going to be covering some face. I'm going to bring it like this. Are you seeing that now? Then this particular one here too, I'm going to bring it down so that it will bring out the face. All right, like that. Are you seeing that now? Then for this, all right, so that's that. I'm going to use this picture to cast a shadow. All right, I'm going to use the picture to cast a shadow at these guys here. All right, but I'm going to blur it. I'm going to reduce it also. Reduce the. All right, then at the base there where the foot is, its legs is standing, I'm going to put a sticker. So I'll click here, I'll click here, I'll click here to bring it in the middle. Then I'm going to change the color to black. Please do it to like this video, please. Then I'm going to come here, I'm going to put it there. So that it looks exactly like it's actually stepping. So the shadow is going to be like coming here. All right. Like he's about to step his foot or something like that, right? All right. Can I just do it like this? This stage, you just need to write the birthday, whatsoever it is. So let me just get a quote here. All right. So let's say just write a quote here. All right. Click here, put it there, and then at the base here, just write "Happy Birthday, Steve Crown." I'm just going to go here, change the color to white. Right, I'm just going to duplicate this and I'll put the crown there. So do it to like this video. If you have watched to this end, my god, you're really a fan of Niamuda TV. Please do it to like this video and share with a friend. I always like when you share those videos because every time you share, you're encouraging somebody to watch. Thank you for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next video. And I hope you got something here. If you want to get the resources that I will use, please do it to get the password from the video, and then you can unlock the resources in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.